Yes people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 Teal. You can tell straight away, it's a 700. But before we get into the box, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button down below because it really does help out the channel. So you know what I'm going to say as soon as I open this box? Adidas, you need to sort it out because whenever I close this box, it sounds like a giant fart, and I'm not going to lie, listen. It's awful, it's not for me. But these are for me. And we do have an additional detail because for the first time, as you can see, you get a spare set of laces and a pair of 700s. That warrants a £250 price point in my opinion. You can tell the sarcastic undertones right there. Coming with a nice chunky midsole, this is coupled with full boost underfoot, so you know they're going to be as comfortable as ever. And then this is coupled with this premium, lovely suede coming all the way across the toe box, on the side panels, and then a nice breathable mesh on the underlays. So you know you can be bopping about in these all day and you'll have no qualms whatsoever. There's an elephant outside. And then we have 3 M hits coming on both the medial and lateral sides, as well as the tongue portion. But my personal highlight has to be these orange laces. They really do make them stand out compared to the brown boys. Is that brown? What colour lace would you say? Khaki ones on this shoe right here. Shout out to the people who think I can't say khaki. Doing it on purpose now. Rounded off with a nice beige, almost like it's got like a pinky hue to it on the underfoot. This shoe is an absolute banger. The tonal colourway on this is banging. It's perfect for autumn as well. You can get a little bit mashed up and no one will really notice. As I said earlier, they will be available for £250 from October the 26th. And because I'm a nice bloke, I will leave a link down in the description. Adidas will have a lot of stock numbers, and if you're looking to flip them afterwards, there's no resale to Yeezys. They've got a high price point to begin with. Very, very rarely do these Yeezy 700s sell for more than retail. If you're unsure on what size to go for, I personally fit true to size, but certain people in the office do go half size up, so it's your own personal preference, but I'm a true to size kind of guy in these ones. I think it's a bit snug on the toe box for them. This has been the Yeezy Boost 700 Teal, and I've been Crispin, the Sole Supplier. We'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing, and while you're at it, make sure you're hitting that like, share and subscribe button down below. See you.